Alright you guys, so this is what my skin is looking like right when I wake up. And first things first, I'm going to go in with my African Black Soap by Shea Moisture. And all I'm going to do is lather it up and go ahead and start washing my face. I'm going to scrub all over. Y'all know how to wash your face. Just go ahead and get a nice little lather until you feel your face is getting clean. I'm going to be using this facial brush from Duval. And it pretty much has all these different vibrating speeds, and so it just vibrates really well on your skin, and it just helps to kind of vibrate all that dirt that's deep down in your pores. It helps to get it up and out of your skin so you can have nice, flawless, and clean skin. Now, I don't use this every day, but when I'm looking for an extra deep clean, I definitely will go ahead and grab this and just incorporate it in while I am washing that African Black Soap on my face. So now that I've rinsed, I'm going to go in with this Aveeno Daily Scrub. And I normally only exfoliate twice a week on Wednesdays and Sundays. So I'm just going to go ahead and start to exfoliate my skin. Now you guys, this smells so good and it leaves my skin super soft. I love it. If you do not exfoliate, I definitely recommend doing that because this helps to get all of the dead skin cells. This helps to get all of the dead skin cells off of your face, so you know it won't be so rough. It'll be nice and baby soft. Period. So now that I'm done with that, I just went ahead and rinsed my face off again with warm water. Now I'm taking this washcloth. I do not use this washcloth for anything else other than drying my face. And as you see, I like to pat it dry so that I'm not pulling on my skin and being rough with it. So now I'm going in with this Witch Hazel, and it's lavender from Thayer's. And I'm just going to go ahead and soak a cotton round and go ahead and wipe my entire face down. This toner actually really helps to make my skin super soft as well. So yeah, love that for me. After I'm done with that, I'm gonna just go in with my moisturizer, and it's just this Lubriderm. It's unscented, it's pretty gentle. I've been using it for years and I love it. So I'm just gonna go ahead and dab it all over my face and rub it into my skin. So normally the moisturizer would be my last step. This is my first time actually trying this facial mist, and it's just supposed to give you an extra little bit of a glow. So I think it worked pretty well. It's not something that I would use every day, but it's nice if you want to give your skin a little something extra. So that is it, you guys. I hope you enjoyed. Make sure you drink a lot of water because that's key as well. Also a healthy diet, because you know we want to be healthy inside and out, and it definitely shows on your skin. So thank you guys for watching. I'll see you in the next one.